What if I told you Earth could be evicted from the solar system? Not by aliens, not by an asteroid, but by the very forces that hold our planet in place. This isn't science fiction, it's a legitimate scenario proposed by real astrophysicists. Let's rewind. Earth has orbited the Sun for over 4.5 billion years. Stable, predictable, life-supporting. We take this balance for granted, but gravity, the thing that keeps planets in line, is a wild and chaotic force over long periods of time. In 2025, astronomers using new simulations ran an unsettling test. What happens if the orbits of inner planets, especially Mercury, become unstable? Turns out, things unravel fast. Mercury, the smallest and most chaotic of the planets, has an orbit that wobbles. It gets tugged by the gravity of Jupiter, Venus, and even the Sun's own irregularities. A tiny shift in Mercury's path could, over millions of years, cascade into a gravitational domino effect. Venus gets pushed, Mars wobbles, and Earth could get launched. Yes, launched. Ejected from the solar system. A rogue planet, flying through the galaxy without a sun. Astronomers call this orbital resonance breakdown. It's what happens when planetary orbits lose their rhythm. Instead of dancing in harmony, the planets go rogue. Some collide, others drift, some get flung out entirely. Now, let's layer in another threat: rogue stars. Our solar system isn't standing still. We're orbiting the center of the Milky Way at 828,000 kilometers per hour. So are billions of other stars. Sometimes, once every few million years, another star drifts uncomfortably close. In fact, one called Gliese 710 is on its way right now. In 1.3 million years, it'll pass close enough to disturb the outer edge of our solar system. Its gravity could nudge the Oort cloud, sending comets flying inward. Or it could shift the orbits of giant planets like Neptune, which, again, could start a chain reaction. Do either of these scenarios guarantee Earth's ejection? No. But they're not impossible. And over cosmic time, even rare events become likely. So, what would happen if Earth really did get kicked out? First, temperature plummets. Without the sun, Earth's surface would freeze. In weeks, oceans begin turning solid. In months, the atmosphere condenses. Earth becomes a drifting ice world. Second, no light, no seasons, no power. Solar energy gone. Photosynthesis stops. Civilization collapses. But it wouldn't be instant death. Life near hydrothermal vents, deep in the ocean, might survive. And humans? If we were prepared, we might last in underground or nuclear-powered bunkers. The real terror isn't how fast it happens. It's the silence, the isolation. Forever floating in the dark between stars. And here's the wild part. This idea isn't new. In 2011, researchers ran simulations that showed Earth's orbit is stable, for now. But over billions of years, small changes, chaotic math, add up. The future isn't guaranteed, the clock is ticking, and the universe doesn't owe us an explanation. Now, let's zoom out. What does this mean for us today? It's a cosmic reminder. Our home is fragile. The solar system seems calm, but it's built on physics that never stop moving. The fact that we even exist on a planet in the habitable zone, around a stable star, in a galaxy that hasn't destroyed us yet, is miraculous. But it's also temporary, just like volcanoes erupt, just like empires fall. Star systems too collapse. So, when you stare at the sky tonight, remember, we're passengers. Our orbit is not permanent. And someday, millions or billions of years from now, we may find ourselves drifting. Not because of war, not because of climate, but because of a nudge, a cosmic accident, one wobble too far.